Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about stereochemistry. You know friend, isomers are different compounds with the same molecular formula. You also know the two major classes of isomers are constitutional isomers and stereoisomers. Constitutional or structural isomers have different IUPAC name, the same or different functional groups, different physical properties, and different chemical properties. Stereoisomers differ only in the way the atoms are oriented in space. They have identical IUPAC name, except for a prefix like cis or trans. They always have the same functional groups. A particular three-dimensional arrangement is called a configurations. Stereoisomers differ in configurations. Now friend, comparison of constitutional isomers and stereoisomers. You can see 2-methylpentane and 3-methylpentane. Same molecular formula, different name, constitutional isomer. Now you can see cis 1,2-dimethylcyclopentane, trans 1,2-dimethylcyclopentane. Same molecular formula, same name except for prefix. So, classification of isomers. Isomers, constitutional isomers, and stereoisomers. Stereoisomers, enantiomers, mirror image, diastomers, non-mirror image. Configuration diastomers and cis-trans diastomers. So, constitutional isomers. Constitutional isomers are isomers which have the same molecular formula but differ in the way their atoms are connected. Butane chemical formula, 2-methylpropane chemical formula, same. So constitutional isomers, ethanol, dimethyl ether, 1-chlorobutane, 2-chlorobutane, pentane, isopentane, acetone, propane, aldehyde. So the pi bond in alkene does not permit rotations. Thus all of the atoms attached directly to the alkene lie in the plane. So group attached to the alkene could be positions on the same side of alkene or opposite side of alkene. Such compounds are different in chemical and physical properties as well as in their geometry and are called geometrical isomers. For example, 2-butene, the methyl groups can be located on the same side or on the opposite side of the double bond, giving rise to two geometrical isomers. So cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene. The isomers with the groups on the same side is called cis isomers, while the isomers with the group located on the opposite side is called trans isomer. So friend, you can see cis-2-butene and trans-2-butene. Trans isomers of compound are usually more stable than cis isomers, usually. So geometric cis and trans isomer result from restriction rotation. Compound with double bond cis isomers have the same substituent on the same side of the double bond, Z-glutamine, together with the more complex molecule having high priority groups on the same side. Trans have the same constituents on the opposite side of the double bond, integer opposite, with more complex molecule having high priority groups on opposite side. So just Z for glutamine and E for integer. One glutamine means together and integer means opposites. So compounds with bonds in a ring, cis isomers have the same substituents on the same side of the ring. Trans isomers have the same substituents on the opposite side of the ring. So cis 1,2-dichloroethane, Z 1,2-dichloroethene, trans 1,2-dichloroethene, A 1,2-dichloroethene. Another example, group with the higher priority on the same side, Z isomers, and group with the higher priority on the opposite side, E isomers. So, if one of the two carbon atom of double bond has two identical substituents, there are no cis trans for that molecule. You can see 1-butene, 3-methyl 3-hexene, so 1,1-dichloroethene. So name the following geometrical isomers, trans and cis. You can see cis and trans, cis trans, trans cis. Now Optical activity. Optical activity is the ability of a chiral molecule to rotate the plane of polarized light, measured using polarimeter. Plane polarized light, light that has been passed through a nickel prism or other polarizing medium, so that all of the vibrations are in the same plane. So plane polarized light and polarized. So polarimeter, an instrument used to measure optical activity. A simple polarimeter consists of light source, polarizing lens, sample tube, and analyzing lens. Light source, you can see the polarizer, simple tube, analyzer. So dextrorotatory, an optically active compound that rotates plane polarized light is in a clock direction, plus or D. Do not confuse with capital D. Levorotatory minus, an optically active compound that rotates plane polarized light in counterclockwise direction. Do not confuse with capital L. The angle of rotation of plane polarized by an optically active substance is proportional to the number of atoms in the path of the light. So plus and D lactic acid, minus or L lactic acid. So a specific rotation. The angles of rotation of plane polarized light by a 1 gram per cubic centimeter sample in a 1 decimeter tube. So alpha D sodium lambda value 589 mu. So the formula is alpha D is equal to alpha divided by L times D, where alpha observed rotation, L length in decimeter, and D concentration gram per cubic centimeter. So plus alanine alpha D plus 8.5 and minus lactic acid D minus 3.8. So specific rotation depends on nature of substance, wavelength of light used, concentration of solution, thickness of the layer, nature of the solvent, and temperature at which experiment is conducted. So chirality is not reserved just for objects. Molecule can be chiral. Chiral molecules, generally molecules containing an asymmetric center. Asymmetric center, tetrahedral atom bonded to 4 different groups, identical with an asterisk. You can see an asymmetric center, COOH, HCS3OH. So 4-octanol, 2-bromobutane, 2,4-dimethylhexane. You can see the chiral object, right hand, left ear, right ear. You can see some stuff. You can see the chair. You can see the chiral object, chair, spoon, and glass. So chiral objects are objects with left hand and right hand forms. Achiral objects that have the superimposed mirror image. So non-superimposable mirror image, a mirror image that is not the same as the mirror image itself. Chiral objects have the non-superimposable mirror image. So chiral center, a point in a molecule where 4 different groups are attached to carbon is called a chiral center. If 2 groups are the same, then there is only one way. A chiral molecule usually has at least one chiral center. You can see stereogenic center. Stereogenic center 3-bromohexane. This carbon is bonded to hydrogens, bromine, ethyl, and propyl. 2 different alkyl groups. So 5-bromodecane chiral substituted on carbon 5, hydrogen, bromine, butyl, and pentyl. Now friend, label the stereogenic center in each molecules, decide if it is a chiral. So you can see propoxyphene, trade name, Darvon, analgesic, have many chiral center. Bronchodilator, decongestant, ephedrine have chiral center, stereogenic center. Fructose, a simple sugar, many chiral center. So how many stereogenic center does each molecules have? You can see symmetry plane, propanoic acid, a chiral, not symmetry plane, lactic acid chiral. So methyl cyclohexane a chiral and 2-methyl cyclohexanone chiral. Now friends, I will talk about the configuration. The arrangement of atom that characterize a particular stereoisomer is called its configuration. The following methods are used to assign configuration: absolute configuration RNS, relative configurations DNL. So Fischer projection and DL notation. The first system for doing this was developed by Fischer and Rosenhoff around 1900. Fischer first developed a method of drawing carbohydrate in 2 dimensions and convention with respect to orientation, so it indicates their 3-dimensional structure, so-called Fischer projection. Fischer and Rosenhoff then devised a notation for designing the configuration of a stereogenic center depicted in Fischer projection as either D or L. So symbol D and L do not relate to the sign of rotation of an optically active molecule, which is designed plus or minus D. So D glyceraldehyde was defined as being D because OH group attached to the carbon 2 is on the right hand side of the molecule when drawing its correct Fischer projections, in which the CHO group appears at the top. In enantiomers, L-glyceraldehyde was defined as capital L because OH group is on the left hand side LHS. In carbohydrate, in general, the OH group attached to the penultimate carbon atom in the chain determine the assignment of D or L. Thus, plus glucose has the D configurations and plus ribose has L configuration. So this is the penultimate. Penultimate means after functional group carbon. Now the rotations was extended to amino acid. L enantiomers are those in which the NH2 group is on the LHS, and Fischer projection in which carboxyl groups appear at the top. Conversely, the D enantiomers are those in which the NH2 groups is on the RHS, thus plus alanine and minus serine are L amino acid. You can see Fischer projections and Fischer of serine. So friends, I will discuss from here in our next video. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.